It's Miss Sarah, time to learn some more letters. Are you ready? Today we're going to learn N through S. N through S. Are you ready? Before we can learn, we got to get our wiggles out. Let's blow a bubble. Let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go stop, pop. Great big bubble. Let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go pop. Now, teeny tiny, let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go. Ready? Stretch and big breath. All right, get your body all stretched out. We gotta move. We're gonna learn the sounds and signs, so we gotta get our bodies moving. Are you ready? Today we're gonna start with Nigel Nite Owl and his favorite letter, N. Nigel Nite Owl. We gotta put on our owl eyes and we say, Nigel Nite Owl. Very nice. Now, olive octopus. Oh, olive octopus. You ready? Get your octopus arms and we wiggle them like an octopus and we go ah, 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 ah. Olive octopus and her favorite letter, O. Next is Pee-wee penguin. His favorite letter is P. Pee-wee penguin, you put your penguin wings on and you gotta waddle like a penguin. And you go, pa, 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 pa. Pee-wee penguin. Very nice. Next is Queenie Quail. Oh, and look, she has her little baby too. Her favorite letter is Q. We put on our quill. That's what this part of Queenie Quail is. This on top of her head is her quill. So we put that on. And we go, qu, 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 qu. Queenie Quail's Q. Are you ready? Robbie Rabbit. Robbie Rabbit, and his favorite letter is R. Robbie Rabbit. Gotta put your rabbit hands on. And you go, as you bounce a little bit. Robbie Rabbit. Now, the last one. Sammy Snake. Sammy Snake, and his favorite letter is S. Sammy Snake, you take your hand like this, and you snake it. You gotta wiggle it like a snake when you make Sammy Snake sound. Ready? S, 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 Sammy Snake. Are you ready? Now, I'm going to do the letters and the zoo friends, and you get to move your body. Are you ready? Let's see if you remember how. Nigel Nite Owl. Olive octopus. Ah, ah, ah. Pee-wee penguin. Queenie Quail. Robbie Rabbit. Letter R. Sammy Snake. Letter S. And that's it. Okay, you ready? Last time. This time I'm not going to show you the letters, but remember they're N, O, P, Q, R, and S. Here we go. Now I'm going to do the sound and signal. You ready? Here we go. Nigel Nite Owl. Olive octopus. Ah, ah, ah. Pee-wee penguin. Puh, puh, puh. Queenie Quail. Quack, quack, quack. Robbie Rabbit. And Sammy Snake. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll learn some more letters next time.